Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off the comments and reactions that appear on the waveform in the full screen player on the SoundCloud app for Android. This simple setting can help you enjoy your music without distractions. Let's get started. Open the SoundCloud app on your Android device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Library. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the Settings icon. After that, scroll down and select Social Settings from the available options. Finally, you'll see an option labeled Show Comments and Reactions. Simply turn this switch off to disable it. That's it. Now you can listen to your favorite tracks on SoundCloud without seeing comments or reactions in the full screen player. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.